159 days ago, I started a journey to try to grow my hairline in. We are currently at day 160. This is an update on what the hairline is looking like, and we're still going strong with this journey. Let's do something a little different today. Go ahead and grab your dermastamp. Before using, you want to sanitize with 70% alcohol. If this is your first time using a dermastamp, you want to go ahead and turn the knob to 1.5 millimeters, and you want to do about 7 to 12 stamps vertically and horizontally to the area that needs growth. Once you're done with your dermastamp, go ahead and sanitize it once again, pat it dry with a clean towel, and store it for your next use. You should be using your dermastamp once a week. Now it is time for the secret sauce. We're gonna go ahead and grab the famous strawberry mint growth oil. If you haven't gotten your hands on this strawberry mint growth oil yet, be sure to check out the website. We got bundle deals going on. And to top it all off, use code JUICE10 at checkout to get an extra 10% off your oil. We're gonna go ahead and thoroughly apply the oil to our hair, following up with our soft brush, starting from the crown, working down to the hairline. You want to make sure you hit all 8 angles, 60 strokes each ankle. Don't you dare miss an angle. Grab your Hims 5% minoxidil hair regrowth treatment. Go ahead and apply that to the area that needs growth. In this case, my corners. Once the minoxidil is thoroughly applied, you want to go ahead and massage it in. In my case, I like to brush my minoxidil in. We're going to go ahead and finish up this session with our infamous strawberry mint growth oil. Again, if you haven't gotten yours, make sure you get yours right now. Apply a few drops of the strawberry mint growth oil to the area that needs growth. I apply 2 drops to my corners because a little goes a long way. Once the oil is applied, you want to thoroughly massage that in. In my case, brush it in. This is what my hairline is looking like on day 160. Make sure to hit that follow button so you don't miss my next update.